Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Twin Falls, local and long distance movers near me. A relocation trip that covers 50 miles or more is dubbed a long distance move. Whether within a state or state boundaries, a move within a state is referred to as an intrastate move. An interstate move takes place between 2 states and involves in crossing state lines. We can move your belongings locally, statewide, or beyond state lines. We're in excellent standing with the local and federal authorities in charge of relocation. We also have insurance plans to cover risk liabilities during and after relocated items because we care about our customers and their property. We offer the most dependable and devoted drivers and professional movers who will help deliver your belongings without causing them any damage. Don't worry about us ripping you off because all of our services are affordable. Local relocations cost a lot less than moving long distance. We provide even less expensive pricing of $30 to $40 per hour. Our professional and dedicated local movers will help provide you with good value for your money and follow your instructions and ideas. We're comfortable with huge towns and urban locations, therefore we know how to transport your belongings without causing any problems. Our fantastic team of local movers is always willing to help you plan out your move. Ask for evaluations from our clientele in your area, and you'll find out that they're happy with our services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Twin Falls moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.